beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Ms. Bin Pinky and I make beauty, fashion, fitness and blog related videos. So yeah, if you wish to see more of my future videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do turn on the bell notification so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. And also join me on all social media sites. Links will be below in the description box. So in today's video, I have decided to do a review of this Makeup Revolution's brow tint. This is semi-permanent brows at home for up to 3 days. So I did mine yesterday, this one, and literally this product is so good. It exactly matches my brows. I haven't applied any eyebrow product. I only use this tint and I did it yesterday. I washed it, I had shower 2 times, but it's still on. I don't know why this product wants to go away. So I really like it. So I thought of doing a demo for you guys to show you guys how this product actually applies and how you peel it off. So I will be doing her brows. Her brows is literally very thick, and also it's dark, so it will match her brows well. So I thought of doing this on hers, and it says here before and after how it will look, and it also says how to apply here at the back. So this is in the shade medium brown. And the product actually looks like this, and at the bottom it says a medium brown, and it has the applicator like this. So okay,
it's like a paintbrush.
Yeah, thick. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin, because like we have to go shopping after this, so we have to keep this on for I think around 2 to 3 hours, but like we will take it off in 2 hours like I did mine yesterday. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, first I will be marking her brows, like where I have to apply. I will just draw a line. Her eyebrow is perfect, so as you can see, this is her natural brow.
What? Really?
Her brows is naturally very thick. Okay, just like that. So yeah, now let's apply this product. Okay, so it's been like 2 hours or 1.5 hours. I think it's 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is it was like now 1 o'clock, and we're meant to wait another 25 minutes. But
like yeah, so it's like 1.5 hours, I will say. So it says here, apply to clean brow using the applicator, as we have done, and or an angled eyebrow brush. So you can also use a angled eyebrow brush for extra definition, but like I have used a liner to line a brow pencil to line her brows before applying this product. And it says here, leave on to develop for up to 2 hours for semi-permanent brow tint. So that lasts for up to 3 days. So I have used mine yesterday. I did mine yesterday, and like I have done it very lightly, not like hers. So like I hope it will last for like tomorrow too, just because like I did yesterday 1 day, 2 days, second days today, so tomorrow will be third day. So I hope it will wash away, but I don't think so it will go away. So I will peel off hers and let's see how it looks. And you can just oh. Whoa. Wow, looks pretty. Okay, it looks like this. So this is how it looks. It has given a lot of definition to her brows, and like her brows was thick but not like this. So this product really works, and I have used medium brown, and like it looks dark brown to me, but I really like it. Okay, this is how it will look. Like it's so pretty. Do you like it?
Yeah.
And see it close up.
Well,
you can just comb it upwards with a brow brush. Just brush like this. In case there is any leftover product, it will come out. And this side too, but like I really like the color and how it came out, and it will last for 3 days as it says in the packet. So yeah, I really like it. Okay, so I hope you liked this video, and I really like the outcome of her brows. Like literally the pigmentation is just wow. I love it. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it too, and if you guys want to try, do give it a try. This product says that it will last for at least 3 days, but right, mine is 2 days. If you guys have thick brows, I don't have thick brows. My brows are literally very thin and very light, so it gave a good color to my brows. And also like I haven't done anything to my brows, and like I did it yesterday morning, so I did wash my face couple of times, and also I had shower. So like it will last till tomorrow, it says, so 3 days. But hers, I did it properly. The outcome result is just amazing. I love it. So do try. I hate doing my brows every day, so this kind of products really helps. In case if you are in a rush, you should definitely try this kind of product. I also have other brow product, like I think one is here. Yeah, this one. Like this one is Maybelline's Tattoo Brow Gel Tint, and this one is Makeup Revolution. But like Maybelline's one is good too, but I did a review of this product. I think it's on my channel, but I didn't like much. But this product, Makeup Revolution's brow tint, is really good, and I think it has done a little bit better job than Maybelline's one. So if you haven't tried, you should try yourself to see the result. But the Makeup Revolution products are really good. I love Makeup Revolution's products, and this brow tint is so good. Like if you want to, you should definitely try. Okay, you are here. Her brows is naturally very dark, as you can see. You don't have to do anything to her brows, like it's naturally done. So yeah, If you guys want to see more of my videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, do turn on the bell notification, join me on all social media sites, and we will catch you all later in our next video. Bye.
Bye.